Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kids for Magic World. Friends, today our topic is the joy of writing, the importance of letter in the digital age, letter writing in English. In today's fast-paced world where communication is predominantly digital, the art of letter writing may seem outdated or even unnecessary. Yet the act of putting pen to paper carries a joy and significance that is often overlooked in our quest for immediacy. The Dhai Akhar letter writing competition serves as a poignant reminder of the beauty, depth, and lasting impact of writing letters. This essay explores the importance of letter writing in the digital age, celebrating its emotional richness, personal connection, and enduring relevance. A personal touch in an impersonal world. In an age where messages are sent with a click and received in an instant, the tactical nature of a handwritten letter offers a warmth that digital communication often lacks. A letter is more than mere words on a page. It is a physical manifestation of one's thought and feelings. The unique handwriting of the sender, the choice of stationery, and even the scent of the paper all contribute to an intimate experience that digital messages cannot replicate. When we receive a letter, we are not just reading text, we are engaging with the writer's personality and emotions. Each letter is imbued with the writer's essence, creating a sense of closeness that a quick email or text cannot achieve. In this sense, letters foster a deeper emotional connection, allowing us to feel seen and valued in a way that often eludes us in our fast-moving digital interactions. The therapeutic nature of writing. Writing a letter can also be a therapeutic act. In our hectic lives, we often rush through our thoughts, leading to stress and confusion. The process of writing a letter encourages us to slow down and reflect. It allows us to articulate our feelings, clarity our thoughts, and even resolve internal conflicts. This mindful practice can be a form of self-care, promoting emotional well-being. When we take the time to write, we engage in a form of meditation. We are forced to pause, think critically about our emotions, and express them coherently. This can lead to greater self-awareness and understanding, transforming the simple act of writing into a powerful tool for personal growth. Preserving memories. Letters are also invaluable for preserving memories. They act as time capsules, capturing moments, thoughts, and feelings that can be revisited long after they are penned. Unlike digital messages that can be lost or forgotten in the vastness of the internet, letters have a tangible quality that allows them to endure. Imagine discovering a letter written by a loved one years ago, filled with heartfelt sentiments and vivid memories. The experience is profoundly moving, evoking emotions and nostalgia that are often absent in fleeting digital exchanges. Letters remind us of who we were at a particular time in our lives and the relationship we cherished, serving as a testament to our personal journey. Building stronger relationships in a world that often prioritizes speed over substance, letters have the power to cultivate stronger relationships. They provide a platform for meaningful dialogue, allowing for thoughts and feelings to be expressed in greater depth. The process of writing a letter encourages us to consider our words carefully, fostering an environment for understanding and connection. In contrast, digital communication can sometimes lead to misunderstandings. The lack of tone and context in text or email can result in misinterpretations that strain relationships. Letters with their personal touch and deliberate composition reduce the likelihood of such miscommunications. They invite thoughtful exchanges that promote empathy and understanding. a creative outlet, letter writing is also an artistic endeavor. It allows individuals to express their creativity not just through their choice of words but also in a way they present their letters. From selecting beautiful papers and envelopes to crafting unique messages, the process can be as creative as any art form. Many people enjoy embellishing their letters with drawings, calligraphy, or even pressed flowers, transforming a simple message into a work of art. This creative aspect of letter writing can be fulfilling, allowing individuals to explore their artistic sides while connecting with others, teaching the value of thoughtfulness. In a digital age that often emphasizes brevity and immediacy, letter writing teaches us the value of thoughtfulness. The time and effort required to craft a letter highlight the importance of taking care in our communication. Each letter is an opportunity to consider what we want to convey, how we wish to express our feelings, and what impact our words may have on the recipient. Participating in initiatives like the Dhai Akhar letter writing competition encourages individuals, particularly younger generations, to embrace this thoughtfulness. It reminds them that communication can be an art form and that expression one thoughts is in a meaningful way is a skill worth cultivating. Bridging generational gap, letter writing can also serve as a bridge between generations. In an increasingly digital world, older generations may feel disconnected from younger ones who prefer texting and social media. Introducing letter writing into these conversations can foster understanding and appreciation of different communication styles. For instance, grandparents might find joy in exchanging letters with their grandchildren, sharing stories and wisdom that can be passed down through the written world. This not only strengthens familial bonds but also creates a rich tapestry of shared experiences that can be cherished for years to come. Environmental consideration. While it's true that digital communication is often seen as more environmentally friendly due to reduced paper usage, the environmental impact of the technology we rely on is significant. The energy consumption of servers, the resource required for manufacturing devices, and the electronic waste generated contribute to environmental challenges. Conversely, letters made from recycled paper or sustainable material can be a more eco-friendly choice, encouraging mindful consumption and the use of sustainable materials in letter writing can promote an eco-conscious approach to communication. This shift can align our desire for personal connection with our responsibility towards the planet. Conclusion. In a digital landscape that often prioritizes speed and convenience, the art of letter writing stands out as a celebration of the human experience. The Dhai Akhar letter writing competition beautifully encapsulated the joy and importance of this age-old practice. From the personal touch and emotional depth to the preservation of memories and the fostering of connections, letters remind us of the power of words. They encourage reflection, creativity, and thoughtfulness, inviting us to slow down and engage meaningfully with ourselves and others. As we navigate the complexities of modern communication, let us not forget the joy of writing letters. In embracing this art form, we honor the rich tapestry of human connection, creating bonds that endure the test of time. In a world filled with fleeting messages, let us cherish the letters that speak to our hearts and souls, ensuring that the legacy of letter writing continues for generations to come. Thank you friends for watching my video. Friends, I hope you like my video. Friends, if you like my video, so please subscribe, share and comments. Bye friends.